Hello. Welcome back. In this video, you will learn how to use clip and erase tools in IGiS desktop software. So, let's start. To perform this process, we have already added two vector layer in the view. The first layer is a watershed boundary and second layer is stream feature. You can see that stream features are available inside and outside of watershed boundary. Now, we want to extract the stream feature, which is available inside the watershed boundary. So, we will use clip tool to extract the stream features. To do so, go to the geoprocessing option under the theme tab. Select clip erase option. Select the watershed layer as mask theme and stream layer as theme B. Give the output theme name. Select the operation as clip and click on Start. The process has done successfully. Now, go to the theme menu and add newly generated vector layer. You can see that the output theme has added in the view. Here, we can see that all the streams comes under the watershed boundary has extracted. Next, to extract the streams falls outside of the boundary. We will perform the erase function. Therefore, go to the clip erase option under the geoprocessing tools. Select the watershed layer as mask theme and stream layer as theme B. Provide the output theme name. Then choose operation as erase and click on Start. After the successful completion of the process, add the theme in the view. Now, all the stream outside of the watershed boundary has extracted. That's all for this video. Stay tuned for the next videos. Thanks for watching.